Hi and welcome to a new video. I'm once again up on a mountain with my touring skis and a big backpack, and I'm planning to do a overnight hike or ski tour in one of the 3 original cantons of Switzerland, and it's gonna take me around 3 to 4 hours, depends on how much I film on the way. And yeah, it's 1 p.m. right now. I got my sleeping bag packed and it's also pretty warm. So yeah, let's put on the skin and then let's go. And by the way, this is not because I hurt my teeth or something. It's just for protecting my face from the sun. Looks a bit stupid, but I don't want to get sunburned. I missed my turn and now I'm on this snowshoe trail, which is not made for those skis, but I also don't want to go back, and so I think I might just push through. Okay, so normally I would have gone down to those 2 houses and then continue up down here and come up right here. But now I need to do this part without skis because it's super narrow and steep. That looks phenomenal. Crazy. Super beautiful mountains. Over there you can also see a mountain where I've been before. Right there. Also made a video on this one. I'm gonna link it right here. So now I think I can strap on my skis again and keep moving. And now you can see my goal for today. First time. Right up there. This pass. By the way, the tour is around 5 kilometers and 850 meters of elevation. Right now I've done 1.8 kilometers and 270, so got a few meters to go. The skins are super wet and they don't stick that well anymore, so I'm always slipping at each step, which slows me down and makes the whole process a lot more exhausting. I think now I'm almost up. I just need to make the last ascent. I go from here up zigzag onto the pass. I think it's gonna take me another half an hour, 45 minutes maybe. And finally, first time, no, not first time, but it's been a long time since I came up a mountain before the sun's gone. And I think today I might be able to make it. And over there's a hut that I looked up on Google Maps. I don't know if it's locked, but I'm gonna check it out. I actually might just spend the night in this hut. There's not much in there apart from bench and the table. There's no bed, but I think maybe I can put my sleeping mat onto the floor. Okay, I just made myself a warm bottle, and now that my feet are warm again, I'm all set for bed. See you tomorrow. Good morning. My alarm rang at 5:45 and I slept pretty well. Couldn't fall asleep for a long time though. It got down to -2 degrees Celsius inside the hut, which is kind of the same temperature as it would be in a tent. But of course, the hut is better shelter against the wind. There wasn't much wind tonight though, so I guess I would also have been fine with sleeping in a tent, but I also enjoyed this little hut, of course. Unfortunately, the sun doesn't show up here yet because I'm right behind the pass and the sun's coming up on the other side. Gonna take the skin off and then finally ride down a bit. I already know that I need to walk again. That must have come down during the night or in the morning, because yesterday it wasn't there. Small avalanche. Oh, there's another one, but that's been there already. So let's keep moving. The snow is pretty shit because it's the south face of the mountain. From day to day it's melting and freezing again, and that leaves the upper part of the snow pretty hard and stiff. And just like that, I'm back down where I parked the car. It's almost exactly 23 hours since I left here. I must say I'm pretty exhausted. It was a tough hike back in the end. Not ideal. Normally I would prefer riding down if I have the skis with me, so yeah, but it was nice anyways, and I'm looking forward to maybe doing 1 or 2 other tours this season. On that note, I'm gonna put up more videos of adventures like this on this channel, and all the photo and video related stuff I'm gonna be uploading to another channel, which I'm gonna link here. So if you're interested in my photo and video stuff, check this one out, and otherwise I'll see you on the mountain in the next one.